Hello, my name's Joe. Got some trouble with my 2009 GMC Sierra 1500 four-wheel drive. Got some problems with the lumbar support. To give you an idea, this is what's left of it. All kinds of little pieces. Gonna walk you around here real quick. Show you the inside of the seat. Brackets. I had to make a new bracket for this side. You can see this is the old one, and this is, anyway, I've got those done. This is the old one here. I'll show you. Sorry about the sunlight. It's really bad here. Well, not bad, but bright. But that's the old bracket. Snapped in half right here. And like I said, the little plastic lumbar support piece just totally disintegrated. So what I've done is I've cut me a little piece of plywood. It's not very big. And I've measured it out the same size as my bracket. Or my, not bracket, but the lumbar support plate. As you can see, I made a new bracket out of 1/8 inch rod. Had to bend it all around, make that new bracket. But what I plan on doing is putting this piece of foam that I cut out and putting the lumbar. This will be my new lumbar support right here. The foam's going to go in against the seat foam, and the cable will come across the back of this. And I'm going to try to find some well, actually I've got staples. Let's get one out here and show you. That didn't work well. There we go. I just got some little staples, and I'm gonna. I got some little round ones, horseshoe type things, and I'm gonna staple that on after I get it in there. I'm gonna put the cable across and then just staple it. That'll keep it from falling down, but I'm gonna glue the foam to the plywood. And I'll let you know how it works in just a second. Hi, we're back again. I took some styrofoam, and I put some of this quick dried tacky glue. It's made by Aleen's Original. It's located at Walmart in the Home and Hobby, or the Hobby section. I glued the board to the styrofoam, and I have taken some regular staples from a staple gun here and put 4 in each corner. Now I'm going to put this in between my seat, and my cable is going to run right through here. And I'm going to take some horseshoe staples. I call them horseshoe staples. I've got the round things. And I'm going to put 3 of them in there to help hold it to the cable. And I will return in a minute and let you know if this works. Here we are at the back of the truck. I'm going to show you these little staples here. They're just little round staples. And I put them in the back of the plywood. I'm going to drive them in just a little bit more. But as you can see, it does, pretty much work. And I've already sat in the seat, and it's not bad at all. It makes it drivable again. Don't feel like your kidneys are hanging out in the back floorboard. So I'll get back with you when it's finished. Alright, we're back again. The plastic piece that came off here, the lumbar support piece that was there, I've been told it was around $90 from GM. That's the only place you can get it. Junkyards won't usually tear a seat apart for you, unless it's really mangled up, and it's hard to find them mangled up or anything. But anyway, this is it. I'm going to pull my phone back a little bit here, and I'm going to crank it if I can. Need somebody to help me. But you can see it. Maybe you can see it. I hope you can. But it's pulling the lumbar in all the way, and then I can let it back out. It'll come right back out. There you go. But this is my first video, so YouTube, bear with me. Like I said, I'm just trying to, make a quick fix to something that's going to cost $90. And like I said, the piece of rod I got is 1/8 inch thick, 3 foot long. It was $2.97. The plywood I had laying here at the house, and I trimmed around, made it the same size as the back plate that was on the truck. The styrofoam, I made it a little bit bigger, so the plywood won't be ripping into your back. The styrofoam I got from Walmart, it was like about 1 inch thick. It was $6.97 for 4 pieces, and That's just a quarter of it right there, a quarter of one of the sheets that I used. But I hope this helps you, because, man, that sucks trying to drive a truck that's like this. Hope you watch my future videos if I make any. Thank you. Bye. Alright, we're back again. A couple little things that you might want to do too. These little clips from GM right here, they were spaced out pretty bad, so I crimped them a little bit with a pair of pliers. Here's the other one right here. As you can see, I closed the gap on them because it was wanting to pop off again. And I put some staples in here pretty hard on it to keep it from moving around. But man, it's working good. Like I said, I hope you guys can see all this. And sorry the video's so bad. Like I said, it's my first time. All right, again, thank you. Bye.